nigga.
Here.
It's recording?
Yeah.
You know it's recording, dog.
You gonna start it, Kato? Go ahead.
Oh, me?
Go ahead, start it up.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Kaylin, let's go.
My name is Lemon Cushion. I'm smoking that good shit.
Yeah.
I fuck your bitch. She fuck with my clique.
Damn.
My team. You know what that mean. Oh, I fucking up on this beat. You know what I mean. I'ma hop on this bitch like I did not just fuck up. But guess what? I am Kaylin and I'm really stuck up. I don't give a fuck about your fucking feelings,
Fuck
nigga. I don't give a fuck about you niggas. I'm killing triggers.
Hey.
I'm done. I'ma pass that shit.
Pass the black to the back. Bitch, I'm in your eye just like I got cataracts, but I don't give a fuck. I swear to God, I'm smoking on that thrax. I'm smoking on that shit, and I ain't even gonna stop it though. Man, you fucking driving, man. Bitch, yeah, I'm walking home. I ain't a broke nigga. Choke nigga. Weed big boy. I tote nigga.
When you gonna sit?
Hey, a nigga KJ don't play. I gotta get on my nigga like I'm fucking okay.
Hey.
What the fuck I said?
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck.
The fuck?
I'm on this full low cold nigga, throw the deuces up. And I throw my K's up. CTC, I throw it down, nigga. What the fuck? I don't fuck with nobody but fucking real niggas. I'm high as fuck. Let me hit that black real quick, little nigga.
But let me hit that black first. Boy, you taste like shit. Straight dirt.
Hey.
I come from the earth. I come from the birth. Good from the birth.
D, hold the camera. Hey, get your swagger right. Money like the sun trust. I don't even have it right. But I ride with the 20 in the back, with the semi in my hand, with that Remy in my lap.
Hey.
And a nigga don't give a fuck out all day. I play, I drink, and I fuck hoes all day. I don't give a fuck. A nigga like me stunt. A nigga don't give a fuck. Lemon Kush stunt.
It's an old lady. Look at big coat. Hey, I made
shit.
a chorus to this, dog. Some old
Wait,
shit.
is that the instrumental?
Yeah. I was like,
Oh, that shit recording?
Okay, it's still recording.
That's it. What I said.
Wait, when the beat drop? The beat finna drop?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll go.
Kaylin gonna go.
Kaylin.
Hey, Lemon Kush,
Hey,
not Kaylin,
hey.
Lemon Kush.
Lemon Kush, I'm coming at your fucking bush. Take a look, you're about to get stuck. I roll with my goons, we is fools. Fuck with us, you gon' get bullets from them tools. I smoke high every day, I don't give a fuck. I'm with my clique and you know we don't give a fuck. We smoke that hydro, we getting hey ho, what nigga? I fuck with that nigga Pedro. That's my, what the fuck, what are they called? That's my plug though. That's my plug though. Pedro is my fucking plug though.
I'm in the Range Rover. Just drunk last night, I got a hangover. Man, I'm on the fucking liquor. I don't give a motherfucker. Get your girl in the liquor. It like a sticker. Yeah, that pussy sticky. I don't give a motherfucker. Man, your girl coming with me. And we all up in your bed. Man, I'm eating your breakfast. I don't give a fuck. Man, I'm eating your breakfast.
Man, I'm sipping on that lean. I'm drinking on that black. Oh, hold on. I'm smoking on that black. Nigga don't give a fuck. I'm back. Nigga like me don't care. I name is Sway. Nigga like to play KJ. Fucking the shit. Man, I'm lying out. Fucking nigga. I'm listening. Nigga,
All right, pass that shit to a pro.
One time.
Pass that shit to a pro. Okay, take a look. I'ma show you how to do this shit. You know, I roll with bad bitches. Smoking on a high grade, we getting paid Monday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You know how we do it. Fuck with my crew, we get to it. Let's get down. We looking like clowns. All these bitches bow down, frown, smile. Hey, look at me now. I am that bitch. What's up?
Check me out. D.
Damn!
Here we go. Look.
check this out, Q.
I got that pork like a hog dog. I'm a pit bull. You just a small dog. Shih Tzu. I don't even know what rhyme with the shit do. What the shit do? And you got your boo at the fucking zoo, man. I don't give a fuck. I got a friend too, and we ain't give a fuck. Cause we gon' shit here. We gon' smoke it up.
Man, I'm drunk as fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm smoking on this black nigga. What the fuck?
What's up?
I'm about to chill with this bad bitch in a couple minutes. Damn, the bitch just hit me up. Shit. Don't give a fuck about this shit. I'm about to smoke on this motherfucking shit. About to hit a lick with my fucking bitch. The bitch.
We ain't even got no motherfucking gas money. But don't think she got a fat ass funny. It ain't funny when the ass so real though. Don't give a fuck, me and my niggas so trill though. We ain't trill fam, we ain't webby though. But guess what, boy? Eat you like spaghetti, bro.
Hey, bro,
bro.
Check this out real quick.
Bro. 9 to 4, you know what's up. You fuck with us, you get stuck. Jack and Kill, we pay them bills. And you know what? We keep it real. Got them goons everywhere, got them tools everywhere, got them bad bitches everywhere. The shit over?
Oh, that's another one.
Oh, hold on. I can start this bitch too then.
Start it up.
All right.
Shit.
I don't give a fuck. Guess what? My name is Lemon Kush, and guess what? I'm in your fucking face. I'm finna drop on this beat right now. Okay. Jacksonville, that's where the fuck I'm from. Jacksonville, that's where the fuck I'm from. You fuck with me, ayy. You fuck with me. You fuck with me. You fuck with the whole team.
Damn.
We fuck your bitch too. She fuck they crew too. Oh shit, that bitch is a fool. I don't give a fuck.
Check me out.
Okay, go.
I'm in the back, getting head hitting from the back. Matter of fact, my nigga KJ hit it from the back.
Hey.
Where the camera though? Where the camera, bro? Man, I keep going, that stamina. And I ain't even gonna stop it. My nuts just dropping. I got your bitch walking. I don't give a fuck the bitch talking. Shut the fuck up, dick all up in your mouth, bitch.
I'm about to fuck this fine bitch. You already know. I got to hit that pussy everywhere I go. Nigga like me smoke on that fucking drug. KJ went from ballin' from muscle on the fucking hole. Nigga don't give a fuck cause I got that money. Money coming down every time it falls slow. A nigga like me don't give a fuck. I already go. My name is Sway. Bitch, you better know.
Oh shit. That's it.